Yes, ma'am. Do not mute.
I cannot tell anything.
Okay, then try not to create any noise or just go and sit in a silent place. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that no noise can come. If noises come
Yes,
continuously, then you can't.
Ma'am, in my room there is no one.
Yes, if
In
noises
my
come continuously, you can't
my
listen
room
properly, and I can't also explain, right? So go and sit in a silent place, and it will be better if you mute your device yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start the
I
class.
need to talk on you.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
last
please don't
day we have
mute.
completed reading the chapter 6, safety and first aid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will quickly revise the just the headlines: safety while riding a bicycle, and safety while traveling in other vehicles like cars and buses, trains, etc. And safety in water. If
Urban
if you are
social
going
life
to swim
from
or
your
if you
home.
are going to play near a river, okay, if these kinds of noises keep coming, I will mute the device.
Urban, mute. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Always swim in the swimming pool, and you should have swimming tubes with you when you are going to swim.
Ma'am, I
And
had.
safety from fires and preventive steps in case of fire. So if you have caught fire or your clothes have caught fire, what should you do at that time? So these things are the preventive things, or the safety rules that you must maintain in your life, right? So then next we had learned about the first aid. What is first aid, and what the type of first aid process you should take in which kind of cuts and wounds, and then sprains and fractures and burns. And what should we do if nose bleeding? We can see nose bleeding. If you see bleeding from your nose, then what can you do? What the precautions you should take? And animal bites. Bite of animals like dogs, monkeys, bats can cause deadly disease, and the name of the disease is rabies. So what can you do if you have got any animal bite? So you should wash the wound with soap and water, apply an antiseptic cream to prevent the infection, and without
And
wasting
take a
time,
anti-rabies injection.
yes, without wasting time, you should go to a doctor. You should or you should call a doctor and take the anti-rabies injection. So we have already read this chapter in the last class.
Yesterday.
Now you tell
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
do you have any problem in this from this chapter?
Ma'am, where is the chapter?
Okay, so let's start the exercise. So open
Yes,
your
ma'am.
copy.
Ma'am, rabies means?
Rabies is the name of the disease or the infection that comes due to the or that occurs due to the animal bites. Animal bites like bites of
Yes, ma'am.
dogs,
Like
monkeys,
dog,
cats,
monkey,
rats.
bat,
Okay, this is one kind of infection. Okay, so write today's
Okay, ma'am.
date first. Sorry, today's date first.
29.
Then the subject. And then the chapter. This is chapter 6.
Yes.
Then write
Yes, ma'am.
exercise. Then at the top of your page, you write the page number. Page number 51. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you write A. So we will solve the section A first. A1. You can see
Do not follow the
here you
traffic
need
rules.
to write whether the sentences are right or wrong. We should not follow the traffic rules and signals. This is wrong, because we should always follow the traffic rules and signals. Number 2 is we should fasten our seat belt when traveling in a car. So this is
Yes, ma'am.
right.
Right. Right, ma'am.
Okay. The third sentence is
We should
swim in ponds, lakes and rivers. Wrong.
Wrong.
You should always swim in swimming pools.
Swimming pool.
Number 4, we should not try to move the fractured part. That is
Yes, ma'am.
right.
True. Right.
Yes. Next, the fifth sentence is we should not pick, rub or blow our nose. That is also right. Who said wrong?
Ma'am, I tell right.
Yes.
I also tell right.
We should not
We
wash
should
the
not wash
food with soap and water. No, this is
wrong.
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 So if we have a
We should.
wound, we must wash that place immediately with soap and water.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yesterday my one teeth is broken, another teeth is broken.
Next, section B1. Choose and write the correct option.
ma'am,
Always wear a helmet while riding a
Bicycle.
bicycle. So write C, bicycle.
ma'am, A1 5 answer.
1, 5. That's
Wrong.
section A5. The sentence was we should not pick, rub and blow our nose. So this is wrong.
Right.
This is wrong.
Wrong.
Yes. You should not. Sorry, this one is right. You should not. Yes. We should not wash the wound with soap and water. This one is wrong.
I'm wrong.
That is question number 5. Yes. Okay, complete.
Ma'am,
So I'm again telling you, if you have any problem, I'm again telling you the answers for section A. Section A1 is wrong, 2 is right, 3 is wrong, 4 is right, 5 is right, and 6 is wrong. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Now section B1. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle.
Yes.
Next. Use dash while swimming. Tired
Swimming
tube or ball?
Swimming pool.
Swimming tubes. Yes. So B, swimming tubes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Next. So the third question is, or the third sentence is, wash the wound with soap and water, salt water or hot water?
Soap and water.
Soap and water, yes. The fourth sentence is, apply and dash over the area to reduce the swelling.
Ice pack.
Yes. So the answer is ice pack. And the options are antiseptic cream, pain relief spray, ice pack. So the answer is C, ice pack. Very good. Okay. So the fifth sentence is, apply the solution of dash and water on the burnt area.
Baking soda.
Yes.
Baking soda.
Baking soda is the correct answer. And the options are washing soda, baking soda, salt. So baking soda is the right answer.
Baking soda.
Yes.
Yes.
So write baking soda there.
In cake there is
6. When nose bleeds, breathe through mouth, through nose, or both of these. Breathe through mouth. Yes.
Mama, everything complete in the exercise. Mine also.
Okay, I'm again telling the answers. Listen to me carefully. Section B, 1. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Use swimming tubes while swimming. 3. Wash the wound with soap and water. 4. Apply an ice pack on the area to reduce the swelling. Number 5. Apply the solution of baking soda and water on the burnt area. Number 6. When nose bleeds, breathe through mouth. Okay, complete.
Complete, ma'am. Complete, ma'am.
Okay, Prajakta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manna.
Ma'am, now it's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's see the section C. Question answers. So what is the first
Answer,
question?
yes.
Tell me, what is the first question there? What precautions should we take while riding a
Riding a bicycle.
bicycle?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, you can drink water now. So what are the precautions? The precautions are, I'm telling the answer first, then we will write, okay? Always check the brakes, seat and tires of the bicycle before using. Always
wear a helmet.
Always wear a helmet, yes, while riding a bicycle. Do not ride
Use
your
hand cycles.
earphones, okay? And use hand signals, follow the traffic rules, and do not ride on sand or stones, okay? So these are the precautions you must follow while riding a bicycle. Now write.
Do not ride your bicycle using earphones.
First you write C1, then write the precautions that we should take while riding a bicycle. The precautions that we should take.
The precaution.
The precautions that we should
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
The precautions that we should take while riding a bicycle are, then write it point wise.
Ma'am,
While riding a bicycle.
Ma'am, like dot.
So I'm giving the points as small a, small b. You can also write the, you can also use the Roman numbers, okay? The point A is always check the brakes.
Ma'am, I give bullet.
Ma'am, I'm doing bullet. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Always check the brakes, tires and seat. Okay, always check the brakes, seats and tires of a bicycle.
Ma'am, first letter is capital.
No, as this is the continuation of the first sentence, we have not
Yes,
put any
ma'am.
full stop there, so this will not be capital, okay? This is the
Okay, ma'am.
continuation of the same sentence. We are just writing point wise, or we are just you can also change the para just to write point wise, but this is not a new sentence. This is a continuation
Ma'am,
of
you
the
give.
previous sentence.
Ma'am, you
That
give.
is why it will not be capital letter, it will be small letter. Okay. Always check the brakes, seats and tires of a bicycle before using it.
Before using it.
Yes. Next, number B. Always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle.
Ma'am, now the A
Now
will be B.
capital. Yes, yes. Always wear a helmet
While riding a bicycle.
Yes.
Okay.
Am I right? Only always wear a helmet.
Do not ride your bicycle using earphones.
Ma'am, my hand is spinning.
You have written only 4 sentences and now your hand is spinning. You need to write more.
Ma'am, no. In Hindi class, we write
Okay.
many things.
Using earphones. The next point is use hand signals. Use hand signals to turn to your left or right.
Left or right?
Yes.
To turn to your left or right?
Left or right.
Use and signal.
Next point is follow traffic rules and signals.
No, we need to write all now.
Yes.
All the subtitles.
Yes. All the points.
Okay.
Follow the traffic rules and signals. And the last point is do not ride on sand or stones.
My hand is so paining.
Okay.
Oof.
So complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only one question complete, not all.
Yes. So now you tell me, after completing the exercise of this chapter, your first assessment syllabus will be complete.
And we will do revision. Then some guardians are talking. Some
Please
students.
tell me the page number. What is the page number?
Page number 51.
Okay.
No, 52.
52, right? So what is the next question? What precautions will you take while going for swimming? So start with this line. That the precautions.
Precaution. We need to write all.
That we should take while swimming.
The precautions.
That we should take while
There is hidden. We should take. Ma'am, see, after we
Precautions that we should take while going for swimming.
We should take.
While going for swimming.
Oh, my hand is paining. Why?
Going for swimming. Or
Or
again write point wise.
oh, ma'am, my hand is paining.
Never go near. Never go. We should never go near water or for swimming without an adult.
Ma'am, adult.
We should never go for swimming. Right, only for swimming.
Ma'am, all points.
Without
Yes.
an adult.
Should never go to.
Manat, right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Do not go or play near ponds, lakes and rivers. Don't write this point. So you will write now that we should not swim in water bodies like rivers and streams. Okay, you will write this one.
I'm swimming.
Yes,
I'm swimming.
you don't know swimming means?
I'm stream.
Okay, stream means the river bodies that are flowing. Okay, the river bodies that are flowing, that have current in them, flowing. Okay, so we should not write. We should not swim in.
Number two, do not go or play near ponds.
Manat, don't talk. We should not swim. No, the second point you don't need to write. You write this one. We should not swim in water bodies
Ma'am,
like the rivers or streams. Like rivers or streams.
Ma'am, we have to keep all the
Can you see the last line? Can you see the last line now?
yes.
to write all the points in exam also.
Yes, yes, you need to write all the points. These are the long
And
type
today we'll
questions.
swim size.
Yes.
Ma'am, always swim in a swimming pool. We should
Exam, it
use
depends on the number. If this question has 2 marks, then you need to write 3 points or
2
4.
points.
Okay, 3 points will be enough. And if there is it's a 3-mark question, then you need to write 4 points. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
So the next point is number C. Can anyone tell me what is the next point? We should always swim in a
Always swim in a swimming pool. Yes. Let's take. Always swim in a swimming tube.
Okay. And the next point is we should use swimming tubes while swimming. Oh,
And I don't use.
use swimming tube while swimming.
Ma'am, I have a tube.
Okay, that's good. And the last point, always wear a life jacket. So you will write, we should always wear a life jacket while traveling in a boat. No, you don't need to write this point, because the question is, what precautions should you take when you are going for swimming, right? So
Yes.
the last point, this point you should not write. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete writing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
write today's
Yes,
homework.
ma'am.
Write the homework.
Ma'am, number 3 question, number 4 question. Yes, ma'am. Time over. It's 1:03 and 2
Write
minutes
page
left.
number 52. Page number 52.
I'm completed.
Exercise C 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 6?
Not
4
6.
and 5.
You will have to write
What is the difference?
question number 4 and 5 in your
And number 3? Number 3 is very easy. Yes, ma'am. Number 3 also.
number
3 and
3 is
6.
not right in your homework. Number 4 and 5. What is
And number 3 is easy.
What is the difference between a sprain and fracture? I have told you in the last class, a sprain is the injury of muscle and fracture is the injury of bones, right?
Bone.
And you will write the answer of this question. What will you do if your nose starts bleeding? Remember, you will sit on the chair, you will be calm, you will not panic, and you will hold your head at the back side, and you will put an ice bag on the nose, and you will not pick or put your finger on your nose. You will breathe with your mouth. Okay, and if still bleeding continues, you will call a doctor. Okay, these are the points, but you need to arrange it and write it properly. Tomorrow we will write that properly, but before that you try to write it yourself. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that's it for today. Bye, students.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.